Let's talk about the real gatekeeper behind every successful creator, the algorithm. Every platform, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, runs on one simple mission. Keep users online as long as possible. The longer people stay, the more ads they watch. The more ads they watch, the more money the platform makes. So if your content helps achieve that goal, you get rewarded. If it doesn't, your content gets ignored. Let's break it down platform by platform and show you how to win the algorithm game. YouTube's algorithm. YouTube is all about watch time. The longer people watch your video and stay on the platform, the more YouTube promotes your content. Here's what matters most. A click-through rate, CTR. Do people click your video? Your title plus thumbnail must grab attention. A watch time. Do they watch 30 seconds or 5 minutes? Viewer session time. Do they binge more videos after yours? And engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and saves. Consistency. Posting weekly or more builds trust with the system. Tip. YouTube favors content that hooks the viewer fast, in the first 5-10 seconds. TikTok's algorithm. TikTok is different. It doesn't care how many followers you have. A brand new account can go viral because every video is judged individually. What TikTok looks for. Watch time. Are people watching the full video? Replays. Do they watch it more than once? Then shares and saves. These are signs of high value. Completion rate. Videos under 15 seconds often get 100% views. Engagement speed. How fast the video gets traction in the first hour. Tip. Use a strong hook in the first 2 seconds. Words, captions, or movement that stops the scroll. Instagram's algorithm. Instagram uses a mix of interest, timeliness, and relationships. It predicts what you want to see based on what you interact with, who you follow, what you search, what content performs well in general. Reels are the fastest growing format, and the algorithm loves. Frequent posting, daily if possible. Hashtag plus keyword SEO. Saves and shares. Strong call to action captions. Tip. Instagram is shifting toward showing search results like Google, so keywords matter more than ever. Facebook's algorithm. Facebook prioritizes personal connections and high-value content. It boosts content that sparks conversation. Reels with high engagement. Pages that post regularly. Videos that hold attention past 30 seconds. Tip. Ask simple questions in your captions. It drives comments and boosts reach. What all algorithms have in common. No matter the platform, here's what works. Retention. Keep people watching until the end. Consistency. Post daily or several times a week. Value. Educate, entertain, or inspire. Give people a reason to engage. Relevancy. Use keywords, hashtags, and content formats the platform is pushing. Engagement. Likes, comments, saves, shares. These signal quality. Hook fast. The first 2 to 5 seconds must grab attention. The algorithm doesn't care about your talent. It cares about results. And the good news? Results can be learned and repeated.